How to add notes on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video we are going to be learning how we can add notes on Instagram, which is a fancy little text you see on your DMs page. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add Instagram notes, first of all go ahead and then make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by launching to your respective app store, typing in Instagram, and if you see an update button, make sure to update it to the latest version. Once you have done that, go ahead and then open the Instagram application, and then you want to come to your DMs page by tapping the DMs icon. Over here, if you have enough friends, you'll also be able to see other notes that other people have actually added here. So if you want to add your own note, you'll find the option called share a thought right over here, right? So it says leave a note, just tap on it. Once you tap on that option, it just says share what's on your mind. So you can just go ahead and then type in whatever is actually on your mind right over here. And then once you've done that, you can select share with followers you follow back or only some of your close friends, right? So just go to followers you follow back or close friends, and then after you do that, tap on the option called share from the top right hand side of the screen, and depending upon the time, your Instagram note is also going to get expired. And that's all it takes to add notes on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.